First Medical in Sydney. Today I'm going to show you how to use the ApenaLink Air at home. When you pick up the equipment, everything will be assembled and ready to use. Included will be paperwork, which we will actually start in the office and highlight the areas that we need you to fill out. When you are ready for bed, you are going to take the unit, place it on the center of your chest over your breastbone. Undo the Velcro on the belt, and you're going to place it under your arm, around your back, through to the other side, and loop it through. You want the belt to be fairly snug, not so snug that it's too tight and it hurts. Next, you're going to place the nasal cannula. The nasal cannulas have a curve to them that point down. You're going to place them in your nose, just as so, over your ears and down and tighten. Next, you're going to use the tape that is provided and tape the tubing to the sides of your cheeks so that they are secure and don't fall out. The last thing is the pulse oximeter. We prefer if you use your index finger or your second finger and don't use your thumbs. Make sure the cord is on top, place your finger, and you're going to once again secure with tape. Once everything is in place, you're going to hold the center button in for about 2 seconds and the green light will come on. You are going to put the unit on just before bed and leave it on until the morning. We are looking for your normal sleep routine. So if you are normally in bed between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m., this is the time that we want. We need at least 5 hours of recording time that is relatively unbroken. It is okay if you need to get up in the night for a drink or go to the bathroom, but it is important that you leave the equipment on and try to go back to bed as soon as possible. Once everything is in place and the unit is on, you are going to get 3 green lights indicating that the sensors have been placed properly. If for some reason you get a red light, if you just wait a second, we should get a red light here. That's indicating that something is not placed properly. If you trace back from the red light to the corresponding sensor, you can readjust the piece of equipment until you get a green light. If you need to, you can refer to the troubleshooting guide that will be included with the equipment. The pulse oximeter monitors your oxygen levels and your heart rate. The nasal cannulas measure the flow of air in and out of your lungs, and the belt measures your chest movement, so your chest will rise and fall every time you take a breath. When the morning comes and you're ready to get up for the day, you're going to turn the unit off by holding the center button in for 3 seconds. The test complete indicator light will stay on and should be green. Mine is red because I did not complete a test. When you turn your unit off and your light is red, please let your respiratory therapist know when you drop off your unit. So now you're ready to take off the equipment. You can take the pulse oximeter off first, your nasal cannula, and these can be disposed of in the garbage. You're gonna undo the connector here and then your belt. Put everything back in the case, including the paperwork, and don't forget to fill out your sleep diary and drop it off at the office during the time determined to be between you and the respiratory therapist.